Ever wondered how to keep your business finances in check, especially when it comes to those pesky expense reports? Well, if you're an Expensify user, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the world of Expensify payments and simplify your expense management process. Understanding Expensify's payment model. Expensify is a versatile tool that can be tailored to fit your specific needs. The payment model is designed to be flexible, accommodating businesses of all sizes. Here's a breakdown. Pay-per-use model. Ideal for small teams or occasional users. How it works: you pay a small fee for each expense report processed. Benefits: cost-effective for infrequent use, no upfront costs. Subscription model. Ideal for teams of all sizes, especially those with frequent expense submissions. How it works: you pay a monthly or annual fee for access to Expensify's premium features. Benefits: predictable costs, access to advanced features like policy enforcement, integrations, and more. Choosing the right plan. Selecting the right Expensify plan depends on several factors. Team size: how many people will be using Expensify? Expense volume: how many expense reports do you process monthly or annually? Feature needs: what specific features are essential for your business? Expensify's payment methods. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll need to set up a payment method. Expensify supports a variety of payment options, including credit card, a convenient way to pay for your subscription or per-use fees. Direct debit, automatic payments from your bank account, reducing manual effort. Purchase order, for businesses that prefer to pay via purchase orders. Additional tips for managing Expensify payments. Stay organized. Keep track of your payment due dates and invoice details. Utilize Expensify's billing portal, monitor your usage, adjust plans, and manage payments efficiently. Contact Expensify support. If you have any questions or encounter issues, reach out to Expensify's customer support team. By understanding Expensify's payment models and exploring the various payment options, you can streamline your expense management process and save time and money. With the right plan and payment method, you can empower your team to focus on what matters most. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.